The governing body of world football, FIFA, has commenced a drive to introduce the video assistant referee system across the world by giving member associations the requisite equipment. Simon Preston has part 2 of this TVJ Sports exclusive.
With VAR set to make its arrival to the region soon, questions will be asked about when Jamaica will be ready to embrace this technology. Manager of the referees department at the JFF, Victor Stewart, has confirmed with TVJ Sports that they are in the embryonic stage after receiving some equipment from FIFA.
Yes, we get grants from FIFA. FIFA, as a member association, support the federation, and as we speak, we have just acquired the services of a number of video cameras to enhance the assessors and the instructors with, and this is basically for teaching and learning, but we want to improve that level to instant feedback at the game so that we can make a decision on spot to assist the referee as we go along.
With some stakeholders still against the usage of VAR, team manager of the Reggae Boys, Roy Simpson, says patience will be needed to welcome this system.
I think what I want persons to look at what VAR is doing is to show you that a number of times when we usually blame the referees, it was just totally impossible for them to see some of the calls that the VAR is now bringing to the fore. I think, it's new, it's innovative, I think it is helping the game, but I think like anything else, when you're introducing anything, it's going to take a while for us to appreciate it. But I think it will help.
But what about at the schoolboy level? Is this an avenue that will be considered? We got the reaction from ISA President Keith Wellington.
Well, obviously, we would not be ready yet based on how VAR functions, but the concept is something that we appreciate and is willing to adjust to if the resources are readily available. I know that it is not something that you can just get up and set up, even the developed football world, some leagues don't have it. I think in England it's in the Premier League, but not in the first division. It's not in Scotland. So I know that it is not necessarily something that you can make readily available. We are willing to use technology to enhance all our programs.
One coach who is not in favor of its introduction is head coach of the 2019 Ben Francis Cup winners BB Coke, Kemar Ricketts.
I'm not a fan of VAR, so I don't think VAR, I personally think VAR has been taken away from the excitement of football, with some very questionable calls. That money should be invested in getting more referees to be a part of the game rather than bringing in a video recording.
TVJ Sports football analyst O'Neill 1892 Campbell is open to VAR's introduction to the island.
I don't have an issue with the video element of it. The issue is the assistant referee part of VAR. And I think if those persons are competent enough to make proper decisions, to be able to get the calls right, then I won't have a problem with VAR. At the end of the day, it can be millimeters away from a correct decision being made for a goal or an offside and so forth, decisions that can be made for someone winning a title.
The other product that is expected to feature across the region in the near future is goal line technology.